Hi, this is John with WTI and looking for different ways to trying different sauces to make pasta, to make uh, tacos, ground beef with this. This Prego traditional sauce, tomato sauce, is actually really good. And I'm gonna tell you why. So this is a soft sensation of the sauce overall. It's not going to be chunky or it's not going to feel. It's just like this soft tomato sauce with some great ingredients, the onions. You can feel the garlic. You can feel like all these different herbs that you just complement this with your pastas or your ground beef, anything that you want to do, and it's making your life so much easier. And the flavor, it's pretty good, well balanced. You know that you have quality ingredients and you just have the availability of just using it in any circumstances that you want. So I'm a big fan of having like convenient sauces that I can just like pop, take it out and just put it, and it just tastes great for everything I do. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.